Welcome to Alabama's Smart Yards. Today, Mallory Kelly and Mike Forster will build a basic raised bed garden.
Raised bed gardening is a convenient way to produce homegrown vegetables. It's the perfect alternative for people who have limited space, poor or rocky soil, inadequate soil drainage, or physical limitations. The cost associated can vary greatly depending on the materials you choose. Old railroad ties, landscape timbers, stone, or decorative bricks are commonly used materials to hold and raise the soil 6 to 12 inches. Today, Mike and I are going to show you an easy and economical way to create a 4 by 8 foot raised bed in your backyard. Your beds can be as long as desired, but only make them 3 to 5 feet wide so that you can reach in from each side without having to step in the bed. You will need 12 landscape timbers, 4 of which cut in half, 42 6-inch galvanized nails, some roofing nails, a roll of 12-inch wide plastic, a drill to pre-drill holes, and a saw. To assemble the bed, orient the placement of the timbers lengthwise east to west. Stack the 4-foot pieces on each end until you complete the rectangle. Interlink the timbers on each corner, lining up the poles as you go. Insert the 6-inch nails to the poles every other layer. Spray the ground inside your frame with a herbicide product. Wait approximately 10 days for the weeds to die. Tack the plastic in the inside with the roofing nails to keep water and soil from seeping out of the cracks. Now fill with garden soil or compost and you're ready to plant.